All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to set up a Creative Cloud account with a free trial, okay? So let's go ahead and let's click on Start Free Trial, okay? I'm going to select for individuals, and your first 7 days are going to be free, okay? And so they're going to give you information over here when you can cancel before to avoid getting billed, okay? And billing will automatically start after the free trial ends. Okay, so it's 7 days free trial. I'm going to hit continue, and I'm going to select the monthly plan. And the reason for this is that way, if you were to get billed, if you forget to cancel after 7 days, you can still cancel your account after 7 days and get a refund. Okay, so I'm going to hit continue. They're going to ask you if you want to have Adobe stock, 10 assets a month for $50 a month. And you get a 7-day free trial. You're free to do that if you want. I'm going to say no thanks. And I'm going to type in my email address. So it is sample@learntechcompany.com. And in case you heard that noise, that's just my paper shredder with a mind of its own. So sample@learntechcompany.com. I'm going to hit continue. And remember what I talked about going up until the credit card information? Well, this is where I'm going to be stopping, but I will walk you through what you need to do in order to get access to your free trial. So what you're going to do is you're going to select a credit or debit card, Google Pay or PayPal, and then enter in that card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code, I believe it's called, your first name, last name, zip code, your region of country or region, and then a phone number is optional. You can agree and subscribe. What that's going to do is it'll show you what the total amount is due right now, which is $0. Once you agree and subscribe, it's going to ask you to create a password. Okay. Once it asks you to create a password, then it's going to take you over to the page that I'll show you in the next video. Okay. So I'll leave you here. Enter all your credit card information, your first name, last name, zip code, phone number if you want, agree and subscribe, and then add your password, and then I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.